Every 43 seconds, someone in the world attempts suicide, and every 11 minutes, another life is lost because of it. These numbers are more than statistics. They are stories of pain, silence, and struggle. Here in the Philippines, mental health has become a growing concern that affects people of all ages, especially the youth. Recent studies show that 1 out of every 10 young Filipino adults experiences moderate to severe depression, according to the 2024 Mental State of the World report by Sapien Labs. The country's mental health quotient dropped from 78.44 in 2023 to 68.76 in 2024, a clear sign of worsening well-being. Experts say this decline is linked to many factors: unhealthy family environments, poor lifestyle habits, and the excessive use of digital technology. Social media, once a space for creativity and connection, has slowly become a source of anxiety, pressure, and emotional distress. The rise of online hate, comparison, and negativity continues to affect the confidence of many, especially young Filipinos who are still discovering who they are.
One story that reflects this reality is that of Raymond Malinay, a 27 years old Filipino who became a victim of cyberbullying. But one day, everything changed. An anonymous user falsely accused him of having HIV, even editing his photos to spread the lie.
I really don't know where the issue came from. I don't have enemies. I'm not gay. The picture spread really fast. In just 2 days, it got 4,000 shares and even reached countries like India and USA.
Suddenly, Raymond found himself at the center of public humiliation, receiving messages from strangers wishing him harm and calling him names. Why would that happen to me when I did not do anything to anyone? I didn't know what to do. It was too much, he said. Raymond stopped going to school. He stayed inside his home, afraid of being recognized or judged by others. It became a painful reminder that sometimes the hardest battles are not fought in public but in silence inside one's own mind. Even after proving the accusation false through a medical test, the emotional scars remain. His story shows how a single rumor, a single post can destroy someone's reputation, confidence, and peace of mind in an instant.
Raymond's story reminds us that every post, every comment, every so-called joke online carries real consequence. Behind every screen is a person with feelings, fears, and dreams. What might seem like a harmless prank to one can become a lifelong wound to another.
The internet is powerful, but so are our choices. We can use that power to hurt others or to heal. Low self-esteem and poor mental health can lead to a dangerous thoughts, sometimes even suicide. But the smallest act of kindness, a comforting word, a gentle message, a simple check-in can make someone feel seen, valued, and loved.
But not all battles are fought online. Some beginning quietly, inside homes, classrooms, and hearts. This is the story of Shaina, an 18 years old high school student who has spent most of her life alone. She grew up without a mother and was forced to figure life out on her own. Her father was no better, emotionally and verbally abusive, leaving her to live in constant fear inside her own home. Yet, despite her painful reality, Shaina remained a consistent honor student. She poured all her energy into her studies, believing that someday all her hard work would make everything worth it. Still, even with her achievements, her father never offered support, not emotionally, not financially.
It was always like this. There was a time when everything was crashing down on me. only had myself. I was all alone. My mind kept overthinking, and there was this voice telling me to do bad things to myself.
School was not a safe space either. People tried to put her down, classmates who felt insecure about her success. She endured constant bullying, whisper behind her back, and silent animosity. They never knew what she was going through, nor did they ever try to understand. But despite it all, Shaina chose to be the bigger person. She chose kindness because she believed it was something she could give, even when the world gave her pain.
What makes me thrive is my desire to escape poverty and to live a life where I'm not controlled by others.
Despite growing up in a harsh and lonely environment, Shaina continues to fight. Her story reminds us that even in the darkest moments, hope and determination can still light the way, and the true strength often grows from the deepest wounds.
Mental health is a shared responsibility that requires empathy and understanding. Despite the Mental Health Act of 2018, stigma and limited access to care persist in the Philippines. Society must work together to create safe, compassionate spaces where kindness and awareness can help save lives. In the end, being kind costs nothing, yet it can change everything. So let us be more mindful, more compassionate, and more human because sometimes our smallest act of kindness might be the reason someone chooses to keep going.